So we're going to show you how to take down a bounce house. In this example, we're going to use this smaller indoor bounce castle unit. First off, you always want to open up your zippers and your blower chute. You want to get some air flowing out of there to make it as easy as possible. You'll be able to step out over the unit too once you have it laid out to get air out. Just make sure, because you don't want it to get dirty or damaged, that you have your shoes off. You're going to fold this unit up into threes. Most of our units will come and get restored in a tri-fold. You can see Melissa get this first side here. Normally you would want to do this with two people to make it easier, but because this unit's so small, it is doable with one. And Melissa gets the other side here, and like you saw her doing in the video, you can kind of step out over and across it. Now you want to get the roll as tight as possible in the beginning. The whole goal at the end is you want to make this as cylindrical as possible because that will make it get stored away easier. And having that tight roll at the beginning will make that more possible and avoid having it become more bald or misshapen. With bigger units, you can also have someone walk out in front of it to push the air out of the blower and have the rollers follow them. Once your unit is fully rolled, the straps that it came in can be laid out behind it, and you can push your roll onto those straps. That'll make it easier to eventually then pull these straps up as Melissa's doing and tie them around your bag. You're going to want to make sure that you get this tight because, again, as we were saying, that cylindrical shape is very important, and the tighter you get it, the easier it will be to keep it that way. Finally, you'll stand your bag up and drop the bag over it. Now again, this unit is one of the smaller ones, so it's not as heavy, but the heavier units, you kind of want to flip it like this, just because it gets kind of hard to get the bags on some of these. We were lucky with how small this one was. And then you'll just tie off your bag, you'll be able to rope it around and then seal it up, making for easy storage.